Per la photo, what do you want to give?
Not camera. Stop.
Give hand, give. Okay. Up.
Good. Stop camera. Stop.
100, everything.
200 everything, so if you want to get this...
180.
The video?
Wait, stop.
So I've been scammed, it seems. Assalamu alaikum people and welcome to Marrakech, Morocco. I arrived here last night and the first thing I did was get a haircut, a traditional Moroccan haircut and a traditional shave. Behind me there is the Koutabia Mosque, which was built in the 12th century. And I am in Jema El Henna, which is the main market square bit here. Today then, I'm going to be exploring the Jema El Henna, interacting with some of the locals, and also going to buy myself a jabella. I think that's the correct word for it, and then a fez or a tabouche, which is the traditional Moroccan hat. So the jabella is the traditional dress. It's like baggy and it's airy and it's made for the weather conditions here to keep the heat out and to keep the air flowing. Anyway, I'm going to jump straight into the Jema El Henna and see what presents itself. First thing I've seen then, walking through, are these snake charmers. They've got like king cobras and all different snakes here. And so what they do is I think they charm them with the music. Oh no, thank you, brother. Is that real snake?
Hey, what?
Is the snake real?
Okay. It's cobra, it's viper, it's not camera.
Ah,
bro.
is that real one? Is that real?
Not camera. Stop.
Why no camera?
You're filming.
Yeah, film.
Not good, my bro.
Why, brother?
Why? Where are you from?
Do they bite?
Where are you from?
England.
Okay. You buy.
Do they bite?
Yeah.
Ah. Oh, is that real, brother? Oh, it's real. Ah, no, scared. Scared, No, scared, brother, scared. Money?
Yeah, money.
Oh, brother, how much?
What you like it? What you want? For my heart. No problem. For my heart.
Oh, heart. Ah, I see. Can I see the cobras?
Okay, stop. Good video. Look.
Ah, you video? Ah, okay. Okay.
Good video. Aye.
So that there was a king cobra then, and he's trying to put a garden snake on me. Yeah, I think that's a garden snake. Yeah, so that's good.
Stop camera.
Stop camera, why?
Stop.
Oh, stop videoing the cobras.
Best.
Oh, okay. How much?
What you want?
What do I want?
Yeah.
Bro.
Hey. So as you saw there then, guys, the guy made me stop filming and started asking for some money. I was like, how much, brother, how much? And he goes, from the heart. So he said 50 dirham, and I was like, well, I don't want to pay that much, that's too much. 50 dirhams about 5 Great British pounds, maybe about $7 US. So I ended up paying him 15 dirham and just walked away. But that's one of the common scams that they do here, and I've seen it happen to quite a lot of people walking around today. So they get you in, they get you to video the snake, and then they ask you for extortionate amounts of money. Walking around here then, there's loads of shops, loads of markets. Oh, I'm good, thank you though, brother, thank you. So there's another snake charmer there.
I'm cute, man.
Oh, thank you. So what they do is you're walking past, they just ask you and they say, come and video. And then they end up asking you for money. Now, I think there's a similar scam with monkeys actually. And I've seen quite a few monkeys around, but I don't know if they're as friendly, the men, as the snake people are. So I might try and find the monkeys now then. I've been walking around then and I've seen some people with monkeys over here. So I'm gonna walk past and see if they try and interact with me or try and put a monkey on my shoulder. I wonder how much these guys will charge. Hopefully it's similar to 15 dirham or less, because what they're doing with these monkeys I really disagree with, to be honest. Look at the state of that. Salam, labas?
Hey, go.
How much?
What do you want, brother?
How much to take video for monkey? Oh shit, I don't want the monkey on.
Per la photo, what do you want to give?
Oh, I don't want the monkey on me, I just want to see.
Please stop this.
Stop the video?
Wait, stop.
What?
I'm Susanna.
So this monkey's called Susanna, having a little nana here. This one's not got a chain on, but it does have a nappy.
5 months.
How much, brother?
5 months.
Oh, 5 months old?
It's a baby one.
Oh wow, this is a baby one then, it seems. He's having a little cute banana. This one seems quite happy, to be honest. And then the brother said 20 dirham for a video. But this one's quite cute. Where is the monkey from?
From Atlas Mountain.
Oh, from the Atlas Mountains. I didn't realise the monkeys were in the Atlas Mountains, yeah. Oh, right. Oh, well, I'll give him the 20 dirham for letting me take the video. Thank you, brother. Thank you. I think the monkey's going to take it. Oh, he's taking the money. Oh, he's dropped it. Yeah, I'll have that bag. Shukran, brother. Have a good day. Have a good day. So what they were doing there then is they wouldn't let you video. Understandably, because the way they're treating their monkeys is really not nice, and I don't condone that, but I guess it's their job. But they're basically, their monkeys are the slaves for them. That's how they get the money, and the way they're treated in the boxes and stuff isn't nice to see. But anyway, I want a henna tattoo, so I'm going to see if I can get one of them for about 50 dirham. And I've been learning a bit of Arabic to be able to interact with this. They're generally females who do the henna. So I've been learning a bit of Arabic, so let's go do that now. So I've found a few people doing henna here. Salam, salam. So I might go and give this a go. And with my Arabic, hopefully I can swindle a deal. Salam, labas. Labas. Bishal hada. Bishal hada. Which one?
Quelle couleur? Quelle couleur noir ou marron?
Kamsim dirham afak. Kamsin?
مزيان 50.
Kamsin?
Oui.
Oui, oui.
Oui.
Which one?
Comme ça, comme ça.
Kamsim, yeah?
50 dirham.
Kamsim dirham. Thank you, thank you. Oh yeah, I'll choose. Do I sit here? So, Kamsim dirham is 50 dirham. So I'm sitting down here. Thank you, thank you. Okay, so the lady says it's okay to film now. And I'm just going to choose one. I'm going to give her the money first. 50, yeah? Thank you, thank you.
Very much.
Which one do you reckon we go for, guys? Oh, thank you, thank you. Is it brown? Okay. So I've heard that the brown ink is better than the black ink, I think, for skin irritation. So hopefully this is the brown ink. I'm not too sure, to be honest, because it looks kind of black, but I'm sure the end result will be okay. Okay. How long does this stay on the skin for? How long remain? 4 days? Okay, shukran. Bazaf shukran. So it'll stay on my skin then for 4 days. I thought it was around 2 weeks, but that might be like a stick and poke tattoo. So 4 days isn't too bad. I'm gonna get Georgie's reaction when she comes to Morocco. So I'm on my own at the moment. Georgie is coming in 2 days' time, so I'm going to make a video picking her up and seeing what she thinks of Morocco. So that might be in a few videos' time. Probably going to be titled Georgie's first impressions of Morocco. So that the ink comes out evenly, I guess. And I presume that she'll wipe it off afterwards. Oh, thank you, very nice. Very nice, very good, thank you. And do I leave this now?
1 hour.
1 hour?
1 hour comme ça.
Okay, thank you, thank you. Shukran, shukran, bazaf. So then guys, henna complete. I didn't get to use some of the Arabic phrases, so I'll tell you them now. Zwina al-hada means it looks good. Zwin is used if it's a male item, so maybe like a male item of clothing, and then zwina is for female items, so for this henna, for example. So yeah, so now I'm gonna go and try and find myself a jalaba, I think they're called, and then a fez, the Moroccan hat. There's loads of markets everywhere, to be honest. So I'm gonna head in here and hopefully I can just find one. I'm expecting to pay about maybe 100 dirham for the jabala, I think that's called what it's called, and then about 50 for the hat. So I guess we'll find out now. So walking through, I found this guy. Your name?
Sbenchik Ahmed.
Ahmed.
Ahmed Sbenchik.
Okay, it's a bit difficult to say that one, but I'm Max. Nice to meet you.
Welcome.
Thank you, brother. Thank you. So this is his store. So I'm after a jabala.
Jalaba.
Jalaba. I was saying it a bit wrong.
Which colour?
Jalaba.
Which colour?
Oh, which colour? How much first, brother?
Which one you like?
100?
More, maybe.
Possible? Do you have any cheaper, worse cloth material?
Okay, 1 minute.
Do you have
Which
a
colour you like?
bright colour, so maybe the green or the blue? I like the blue, to be honest, that's quite nice.
Okay.
And then also a fez.
Yes.
Thank you. So I have to wait here. So he was saying 200, but I think that's because of the quality of the material here. This must be, yeah. So it's quite thin already, but maybe he gets me a cotton one maybe instead of wool. And then I'm after a tabouche or a fez as well. Hopefully he'll do me 150 for the both. I think that's a fair price, to be honest. That's about £108 and then £54, so £12 for the both. I think that's a fair deal. So he's just gone around this corner, maybe to get another guy, but I'll wait for him here and then I'll find out when he's back.
Black or green?
Ahmed is back. Green, please, brother. Green. Does this one have a hood?
No hood.
No hood. Possible?
Black with hood?
Yes. More expensive. Okay.
58 range.
Okay. Well, I'll take the no hood. And then do you have fez?
Yes, yes, 1 minute.
Okay.
Here it is.
Take the green one. Oh, yeah, that's nice. Can I try?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, thank you.
1 minute, 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Yeah. Give hand, give hand. Give hand, give. Yeah, okay. Up, yes. Yes.
Thank you.
Good, man.
Oh, I've left my backpack on. Oh no.
ماشي مشكل. خليه على خاطره. Come.
Yeah, thank you.
ويا راش نجم نقولوا ليه.
Moi je prends la clé pour le carte bancaire parce qu'il y a 5 personnes.
Backpack's off.
Yeah.
Ready, thank you.
5.
First one, this one. First one.
Oh yeah, first one.
Yeah.
400 francs pour 5%.
Ils prennent 5%.
Ah oui.
No, that's pocket.
Oh, that's a pocket.
Pocket for your pants.
Oh, I'm doing everything wrong.
For your pants.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Here it. All jalaba, pocket open it.
Okay.
Here it. Open it, look.
Non, en espèces.
Yeah.
All open for your trousers.
Okay.
Oh, look now. Oh, beautiful.
What do you think, guys? Yeah, I like this one. So 100 possible?
No, 150. 20 profit.
Okay, but
Not trained, that's not trained.
is 150 possible for this and fez?
No, first 100 good quality. First.
But can you get bad quality one?
80 dirham.
80 dirham. Okay.
20 dirhams comme cadeau par exemple.
100 please, brother. That's all I want to spend.
400.
120? Okay, 120. Thank you, Ahmed. Thank you.
It's good, man.
Good, thank you, brother.
Jalaba Morocco 120 dirham. It's good price.
Oh, is that a good price?
Yes.
Do you sell the hats?
1 minute.
Okay, thank you. Cheers, brother. For the hat as well, also? Yeah. Thank you. So that was 200, but unfortunately I've destroyed my henna in the process of taking my my jumper off, but that's fine, I don't mind. So the fez then I think was 80 dirham, and the, is it jabala? Jalaba. The jalaba was 120 dirham, so I've given him 200 total there. But this is a shop, they sell some really pretty clothing actually. The female ones are more jewels, it seems, and then the male ones are bit more plain, yeah. But I'm gonna wait for him to come back. With hood, traditional. He's trying to upsell me here. Perfect. Thank you, brother.
ما في جيش. واش انتم واش الابتدائيه بالرجال الابتدائيه. ترى هو قال لك هو في
What does it look like, guys?
شوفوا العالم هذا خلي عليه بجوين.
I think it looks decent. It's got a little tassel on. Yeah, I think that's perfect. I'll stick them both on together now and see how they look as well. Done with that, Ahmed?
You,
Max.
Max.
Nice to meet you.
Be welcome in Morocco, Max.
Thank you, always
It's
welcome.
big country.
Yeah, big
big
country.
heart.
Yeah, big heart.
Big everything.
Friendly.
Big doors.
Yeah, yeah.
Welcome, brother.
So this is the finished look, guys, with my fez and the jalaba.
200 everything.
200 everything. So if you want to get
120,
this,
80.
come to your shop. Have you got a
Welcome.
shop name?
Everything time in Marrakech, Morocco.
He's always welcoming this guy. So I'm going to walk out there, probably wash this state off now because I've messed it up a bit. But yeah, I'm going to take a walk, get out. This quite hot in here as well, to be honest. But yeah, good deal this. 200, so that's about 16 quid. Looks good. So Ahmed has taken me to this guy to clean my henna. I don't know if he's going to charge me, to be honest. Thank you, brother. So he's wiping it off now. But as I was walking out, I paid the big boss 200, and then Ahmed came back in and was like, no, more. So I think there was a bit of confusion there with the big boss and him. But 200 totals, good price. And then if I get the cleaning with it, that's fine. Ah, thank you, brother. So all clean then. Not done a very good job, but it was very nice of him to actually clean it. Ahmed's taken me down here to show me a magic box of wool, he says. I don't know what he wants to show me.
Come on, bro. Max.
Ah, wood. Ah.
Magic box.
Ah, magic box. Ah, I see. The magic box is made from wood. Ah, okay. Ah, very good. Very good. Shukran bazaf.
Marhaba.
Marhaba.
Welcome, Akhi.
Thank you.
Welcome,
Alhamdulillah.
nice people.
Labas.
Where are you from?
England.
Nice people, big heart.
Big heart. Thank you.
Be welcome everything England in my country, Morocco.
Oh, English, always welcome, he says.
Big doors in Morocco. Everything welcome in my country.
Shukran bazaf. Bislama.
Make sure my beer don't like it.
Oh, thank you, brother. Thank you. Shukran.
Welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you. You too. So he wanted me to show the camera the wooden boxes. I think he was trying to get me to buy one, to be honest, but I didn't want to know. Thank you, shukran. But I didn't want to. I won't be able to fit that in my bag, I don't think. Anyway, I'm gonna go back to my hotel to try and clean that mess off, and maybe get a juice on my way back. But that's it for this video then, guys. Like, subscribe, and hopefully you enjoyed the shenanigans that went down in the Henna El Henna. Some of it was good, some of it was bad, but that's the same with every country you'd visit. Unfortunately, there's bad people everywhere. But thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one. Right, a little bit after the end of the video then, I've been walking back to my hotel. Some random guy, shukran, some random guy in the street says that this is a female one. So I've been scammed, it seems. So maybe Ahmed wasn't that nice after all. But anyway, if you do know that this is the female version, then let me know and drop it down in the comments. But thank you very much, see you in the next one.